See, and if you've got a second, I'd like you to take a minute and go over to the show notes. Like I said, theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. Within that, I've got a link to Podchaser, and write us up a review, won't you please? I sure would appreciate it. Well, I hope that you took a minute and did the review. We sure do appreciate that. Let's talk about the use of the Google Campaign URL Builder and Bitly, the link shortener. I know you've used a Bitly before, and if you haven't, you should give that a try, bitly.com. The tool that we have in front of us, the Google Campaign URL Builder, I use it on every episode to make the short link for the show notes. And then I shorten that link with Bitly. And it works so well that the Google URL Builder has built Bitly right into the UTM Builder to shorten links. So I don't think you can get a better endorsement than having the URL Builder endorse your link shortener, okay? I want you to take time, take a minute, look that over, and I want to thank all the patrons that support this effort. Thank you for taking time out of your day. It's a wrap.